Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. This is your Nifty Guy, and welcome to today's episode of Decoding Nifty with me. This is a series where we analyze and decode Nifty daily on multiple time frames so that we are prepared to handle the trades and its following through with much more confidence and clarity. Now, this is the first ever video from an international location. I am recording this video from Japan for you guys. In India, it's around 6:38 in the morning. Here it's well past 10 a.m. So I believe when you guys will get up on the Sunday morning, the video would be available for you guys. And before I start today's video, I would like to share my experience from yesterday. Now, what I try to do is I try to correlate everything that is happening in life with trading. And this is just a small message. It might help somebody. You can just take it as a story. So yesterday, what was in my plan of schedule on the vacation was a tour of the Mount Fuji. Now, Mount Fuji is a very elusive mountain which is visible for very low number of days throughout the year. And we were already pre-booked for with a private charter for yesterday. And because the rains arrived a week earlier than usual around here, it was very cloudy and it was raining all throughout the day since the time I have arrived. And because of that, the chances of visibility of Mount Fuji was almost next to zero, right? Almost impossible. So me and my wife were discussing what should we do, and my wife was of the opinion that we should cancel the tour because it's a good full day tour which is blocking, and we would be traveling all the way from Tokyo to the Lake Kawaguchiko area where again, what would be the point of going all across, wasting so much of time and money and not able to see Mount Fuji as well, right? Uh, the booking was 100% refundable, so we could have simply canceled the booking and we would have got the full refund. But I convinced her any which way, saying that no, we have come this far, so far from India, and Mount Fuji being one of the most iconic uh, sights to see in Tokyo, in Japan. So we should definitely head out. If we see, if we're able to see Mount Fuji or the secondary, we will be able to be there in the vicinity. And I just simply bribed her, stating that there is an outlet mall nearby in case if we're not able to sight Mount Fuji and in case the situation or conditions not improve, we can simply head over to the outlet malls and do some shopping. Uh, so that is how we went ahead. And there are a couple of 4 to 5 sight points from where you can see Mount Fuji, which are visible. We covered 3 to 4 of them yesterday from the start, and none of the places Mount Fuji was visible. It was completely clouded. And just as we had our lunch and we were headed to the outlet malls. There was one particular point which is there's a Lawson department store, which is the convenience store which is there, and above which you can see Mount Fuji. So I asked the driver to just take it to that point, and he said that Mount Fuji is not going to be visible. What's the point of going there? I still asked him, no, I would want to go. And as we were just simply going out to park the car, I could see the outline of Mount Fuji behind the uh, Lawson store. And I asked him to park the car. And as we were just simply, we got out of the car, we waited for 15 to 20 minutes, and trust me or not, the cloud cover vanished completely. Mount Fuji was visible in all its glory. And yeah, so the reason why I'm sharing the story with you guys is to never give up. Uh, and you need to keep that hope in you alive, even if things seem to be extremely difficult for you guys. You need to keep that one positive ray of you inside. And if you move ahead with that mindset, I am sure uh, success would not be too far away, right? So just a simple story about how I take things in life with a pinch of positivity added in everything. And when you do that, the possibilities are endless, right? So in case if you guys like the my videos, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, put down anything that you might have to say in the comments box, be it feedback, be it criticism. I'm open to everything, right? So on that note, let's start with the video for Monday. Because this was a month as well as a weekly ending, so the video might be a little longer because we'll be analyzing from the monthly time frame. So Stay with me till the very end. Remove all the drawing. On a monthly time frame, Nifty looks good. There's no sign of worrying. We still have a higher low, higher high closing above the prior high. Weekly, as we are already knowing from the daily order charts, we are in a sideways consolidation, and that is what the weekly is reflecting. Last week it was an inside bar, and this week just a small spike up above the previous high. Otherwise, this would again have been another inside bar. So we are on a good consolidation. As you can see, a very, very tight range in which Nifty is stuck in the last couple of days or maybe weeks. Right? On a 4 hours chart also again, this is the same story which is being told. I believe the video will not be long because there's nothing much to do here except wait and watch. Right? So these were uh, the levels that we had drawn, right? So Nifty is kind of basically this was the 0.5 to 0.61 zone of this entire up move, which was there more or less, right? Nifty has been taking support from here, and this was the 0.5 to 0.618 zone from of the entire down move which came, and Nifty has been taking rejection from here. So we are stuck in between two important, very important fib levels, and I believe we should wait for breakout. So on the short side, yes, I will still stick to this particular low for Monday, the 2nd of June. This will be the plan for the short trade. On the long side, because see the overall biasness on the higher time frames is on the long side, we can mark this where it looks perfect, and let us also mark this particular swing high. Now, as and when we cross above this swing high with a pullback, we can look at creating a long entry. Now, say for example, market opens flat, consolidates, breaks out above this, creates a pullback long, we take a long entry. Market opens with a flat opening, consolidates around here, break down below this, this is a pullback, we take a short entry. Now, what if market opens with a very big gap down? Say for example here, then I would assume the market should first fill this gap and then continue the downward journey. So we will again take an entry only below this. If market opens with a very big gap up, we need to watch the price action. My idea would be it will take some pull back till around the trend line levels and then it will continue the upward journey. It should not be simple, and or maybe simply the market can. So this, I believe, this wider range is something in which we should be extra cautious and trade with lower quantities in case if you are trading or some trade is happening as per your setup. My suggestion would be to keep low quantities and strict assets in this range. Nifty can remain in this range for some time. We never know. So we do not predict anything. We simply plan for all the possible outcomes, and then once we see them in the live market, that is how we play them, right? So that will be it uh, from my side for Monday. I will see you guys again soon. Hopefully, I will be able to make the video on Monday. The time check is quite hectic, so I'll try to see what can be done about this. But my 100% is there. I will definitely be trying for it. So yeah, that's it from me for today. This is your Nifty guy signing off. Hope you guys have a good day and everything tomorrow. Keep your assets tight and trail tight. Yeah. So that is what all I can say one suggestion from my side for the current volatility now, because not volatility, but in market stuck in the range, and maybe we are in for a very good trade. And in case of short trade, yes, keep an eye on this level. We will just extend it on the chart. Yeah, this is gap border area, and we should look at some positive price action around these levels, right? Just a quick, nothing on the nothing on the RSI, nothing on the RSI to be worried about. Just quickly looking at it. No. So perfect. Yeah. So this will be the precise and concise plan of action for Monday. I'll see you guys again soon tomorrow. Cheers. Have a good day. Thank you so much.